in-depth look at ALLPOWERS Portable Power Station, a sleek and versatile power station available in both white and black. Out of the box, the R600 immediately impressed me with its clean and well-designed looks. It features vents along the sides ensuring proper cooling. The front panel is equipped with a variety of essential ports, a 12V 10A socket, a light with multiple brightness settings and an SOS mode, 2 standard UK plugs, 2 USB-C 100W outputs and 2 USB-A 18W DC sockets. The control panel is straightforward, displaying crucial information such as remaining power, charge time, power consumption and solar input. It's all clean and thoroughly well laid out. The side panel reveals 3 connections: an input for charging from the mains, an AC protector switch, an input for charging from a solar panel or from your car. When powered on, each part of the R600 can be turned on or off individually to conserve energy, and it's clearly marked with a light and tone for easy identification. I've been using the R600 to charge my laptop, camera batteries, my drone batteries and my phone, and it does this efficiently and quickly, providing up to 6 full charges for my laptop from a single charge of this power station. The addition of a solar panel means we can charge the power station at any time. And while it does mention that you really won't have sunny conditions, it still works on cloudy days, just a little bit more slowly. Here you can see the solar panel on an average sunny day here in the UK. It's very effective and it charges really quickly. Speaking of the solar panel, we're testing the SPO29. This is a 140W solar panel. It comes with a variety of charging option cables. It folds into a compact case and can be propped up with stands or placed on the top of your vehicle or anywhere that faces the sun. The build quality feels excellent with durable stitching and quality materials. The solar panel delivers up to 80% output performance, but we also have the option here to plug in your Ferials and your phone directly into the solar panel, meaning if the power pack is flat, you've still got power should you need it. This R600 is perfect for camping, boats, caravans, garages and fishing trips, with its ability to charge and run up to 8 items simultaneously. I love the fact that it's lightweight and portable, especially when I'm parked near a wild camp location. I can take this with me and I can use my laptop and all my Ferials with no worry about running out of battery. It's currently priced at £349, that's for both the power station and the solar panel. And I'm happy to announce a special 10% discount using my code BOTG Adventures, and you'll find all the links are in the description box below. Ultimately, whether you need a power station or whether you don't, I think this is a great device. It gives you the ability to have the power where and when you want, and if it's a sunny day, you're always going to have power. Highly recommended.